I couldn't sleep that night. The air was too still, and the light kept sliding through the blinds like it was trying to tell me something. And suddenly, that's when I saw it. You lie on your back beneath the velvet night, wrapped in the hush of darkness. The air is cool against your skin, the ground beneath you soft with grass, solid with earth. You breathe in slowly and exhale. The sky arches over you like an endless ocean turned upside down, infinite, black, and freckled with light. Above you, the stars shimmer, steady and ancient. Some blink faintly, others gleam with quiet confidence, but all of them feel impossibly far, farther than anything you've ever known. Yet here they are, appearing on your skin as silver warmth, arriving as light that has travelled lifetimes. It takes thousands, even millions of years for that light to reach your eyes. Some of the stars you see no longer even exist. Their last breath left long ago, their final light still on its slow voyage through the fabric of space. You are witnessing memories, not moments, hung quietly above you, and somehow you are part of it. Your body, resting so still, is made of matter that was once inside stars. Long ago, when the universe was younger and wilder, stars were born in clouds of gas and dust, immense furnaces of fusion, turning hydrogen into helium, then into carbon, oxygen, iron. And when those stars died, they exploded, flinging their insides out across space. Those elements, stardust, drifted for eons before forming planets, oceans, and you. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe, all made in the hearts of stars. So when you lie beneath the sky, you are not separate from it. You are made of the same things. You are the night, looking back at itself. The stars do not blink in space. They shimmer here on Earth because their light passes through our unsteady atmosphere. The tiny ripples in air temperature cause the stars to twinkle. An optical lullaby, a gentle shimmer caused by Earth's own breath. And as the night grows quieter, you notice something strange and beautiful. The longer you look, the more you see. A dim smudge at the edge of vision becomes a galaxy. A faint light might be a planet. The sky becomes deeper the longer you trust your stillness. Your breathing slows. You feel the rhythm of your body syncing with the rhythm of the world. Even though everything above you moves, the earth spins, the stars shift, the planets orbit. In this moment, you are completely still. Stillness, after all, is not the absence of motion. It is the act of listening. You listen with your whole being. You listen to the way the stars send whispers through time. You listen to the idea that what is far away can still reach you, touch you, illuminate you. Some of the stars you see are part of constellations, ancient patterns drawn by those who came long before. To them, the sky was a storybook, a place to chart myths and mark the seasons. Orion's belt, the Great Bear, the twins. These patterns mean nothing to the stars themselves, but they meant everything to the people who saw them. Even now, the constellations can guide you, not in the way of navigation, but in the way of noticing. Each shape is a reminder to look up and wonder. They hold the memory of generations who also lay quietly beneath the sky, asking the same questions. You're not the first to wonder what it means to be small beneath such vastness. You won't be the last, and in that truth there is something comforting. The stars are always there, even when hidden by clouds or daylight, just as the questions they raise are always inside you, even when buried by noise. For a long time, people thought the stars were fixed to a celestial dome, a great dark sphere above the earth. Then came telescopes, then theories, then deep sky probes and math too complex to whisper at bedtime. But beneath it all, one truth remains: we are curious. We are stargazers, always have been. Your ancestors looked up from fires and fields, wondering. You do the same now, under electric skies. The stars remain, even as the world changes, and the more we learn, the more beautiful they become. Each point of light above you is not just a star, it is a sun. Some are part of solar systems, possibly with planets, maybe even with oceans, maybe even with life. You are looking at an unknowable number of worlds, some of which might be looking back. Even the darkest patches of sky contain galaxies beyond counting. The universe is not mostly stars, it is mostly empty. Yet in that emptiness there is elegance. Space is not nothing. It holds gravity, it holds time, it holds the threads that connect everything. So when you gaze upward, you're not only seeing stars, you are feeling the shape of the cosmos, its delicate curve, its hidden laws, its poetry. And you are part of that poem. Your presence beneath the stars is not an accident, it is an echo, a continuation, a key.